Welcome to Jazz Bar, where the music is smooth and the drinks are set to be even smoother. In this video, we're shaking things up with a Lychee Martini, an elegant tropical twist on a classic martini. Whether you're planning a fancy dinner, date night, or just want to sip something that feels bougie without the bartender price tag, this recipe got you covered. As you can see, we're jumping right straight into it. Let's go. Now the recipe didn't really call for sparkling wine. I just thought to put that in there just to cut that sweetness and add a little bit of club soda as well. And I tell you, man, it came out perfect. Just give it a try and let me know what you think, man. Now, if you're feeling this vibe, I'll only ask you for one favor, man. Hit that subscribe button for more cocktails, mocktails, tips, and good times. Until next time, keep it chill, keep it smooth, and keep shaking. Cheers, y'all.